Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be going over my top 5 products that I'm absolutely loving from this year's Stylevana's Advent Calendar. Do you want to know? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So I'm going to be going over my top 5 products that I'm absolutely loving from this year's Stylevana's Advent Calendar. If you did see that video, they did send me the whole entire calendar and they gifted one to you guys, and I was so thankful for that. And that one, the winner was found and she confirmed on Monday. The winner received their entire advent calendar. It was either that same Thursday or Friday at the very latest. So not even 4 or 5 days after confirming, they had their advent calendar in their hand. And I was like, oh my gosh. So Stylevana, thank you so much for taking care of that and doing it so fast. But I wanted to do this video just to show you the top 5 products that I am actually using every single day. Now with Stylevana, they have so many different things when it comes to Kbeauty. Like literally, you can get anything and everything that you can imagine. Kbeauty, J-Beauty on their website. They have everything you can think of. You can even go to their website and look at each brand. So if there's a brand that you know and you want to see what else they have, you can do it by brand, by product. It's literally your one-stop shopping for any type of skincare Kbeauty related, let me tell you. But my normal every night routine is I start with a cleansing balm and then I wash my face with a cleanser in the shower. I get out, I use a toner, and then whatever else I'm doing on my face. All of these products I use from Stylevana. So the ones that I'm going to show you now are strictly just from the calendar. So that would be after I'm done toning. These 5 products are what I have been using for at least, I would say at least 4 to 6 weeks straight consecutively. So I wanted to use them every single day before I actually sat here and told you what I feel about them, because I do get a lot of products and sometimes I can't sit there and use them for that long of a period to really get a good sense of what it's really doing, if I like it, that kind of thing. But this time I made sure that I use them all for at least, like I said, at least 4 to 6 weeks. So I will then show you how I use these in just a moment, but I'm going to just go ahead and tell you the different products and the ones that I'm using. So the very first one is this hand cream. It's a slight peach hand cream, but every single night, that's the last step that I do. When I'm done with all my skincare, I put my hand lotion on and it makes my hands feel super, super soft. My hands get very, very dried out for everything that I do, and this helps keep the moisture in my hands. So this is one of the products that I have been using, again, every single day. This eye cream is absolutely amazing. Not only do I love the packaging and how it comes with this, which is super unique and I've never seen this before, but just the formula in general, I just really, really like. And even in the video, I will show you, I start to say, and I don't know if I actually said the whole entire thing or not, but I've noticed with this one, it seems like once I get out of the shower and I'm toning, I'm just so tired and drained. I have like puffiness. Sometimes they're like reddish kind of color under my eyes, and I just look just rugged. I look battered, tired. I just look used and abused. That's just what it does. But I feel like when I put this on, since it is that green, it has like a green color to it, has like a greenish hues. Now, when I put this on and I'm done dabbling, it's like I don't really see that redness anymore. I'm like, oh, okay, I see you. You are definitely making me look a whole lot more refreshed. So I don't know if it's just in my head or just because it does have that light green color to it, that it just blends everything in. But it just seems like once I'm done, I don't look that tired and haggard that I do when I start. It's just my thing. So I absolutely love this eye cream. Not only does it just feel good, it just makes it look better. And I really do enjoy that eye cream 110%. I love it. Now, my new favorite serum, and if you guys follow me, you know I normally like prefer a moisturizer, a deep, thick moisturizer over any type of a serum any day. That's what I always say. But this right here is a moisturizing serum, and it's a blue serum made with pure centella from Madagascar. The Skin 1004 brand I absolutely love, so I knew I was going to love this product. But this leaves my face so moisturized in the morning, as if I use like a really good water cream or a thick moisturizer, and I get that effect with just this simple serum. So I'm so super impressed with this serum. It definitely, like I said, it leaves my face super soft the next morning. And then sometimes, like if I just need a really quick, like I don't have time to sit here and do this whole routine, theirs was like, I think a few times since this whole thing that I did that, where I just slapped this on my whole entire face and it still felt just as good the next day without using any of the other products. So this right here, I love this serum. This is my new favorite serum, and that is very shocking for me to say, let me tell you. The next product is the Boosting Ampule. I like using this right after well, that's how the step. After your tone, you use the ampule and then any of your skincare products. So this is like a little booster to kind of help enhance what you put on afterwards. But again, this is like a boosting ampule that you use right after the toner, and that's what I've been doing. I've been putting just a little bit on just so it can dry quickly, and then I move on with the rest of the products. So I'm feeling like this is helping enhancing the rest of my steps. So there's this guy, and then the dark spot correcting glow serum is what I have been using. And in the video when I'm using it, I tell you guys, like, I don't know like what's a dark spot versus what is a freckle or a sunspot on my face, because I have so many of them. So at first I was kind of like trying to pinpoint little dots, and I'm like, wait, is that a freckle? Is that not? And then I'm looking at it and I'm like, this is just a normal serum. So I just started kind of like putting it over my whole forehead, my cheeks, and my nose. Sometimes I'll venture to my chin, but I just basically slap that on. I let that sit and dry for a while, and then I'll go in with the moisturizer to finish it off. With using this, I kind of feel like some of those spots or issues that I don't like, they look like they have faded or dissipated or gone or whatever. So I feel like this is definitely working for whatever is considered a dark spot and not like a normal freckle, because those, I don't know if there's anything that could take those away. Because I have a whole lot of them. Oh, you can't really tell here, but I have literally freckles. Oh, I guess that I got a little Irish in me, so I definitely do have some freckles. So if you want to see the exact order and me using these as my normal night routine, then here you go. Okay, so after the shower, I cleanse and then I tone. And then the top favorite products that I have been using from the advent calendar is then I start with the ampule. The ampule just basically anticipates the next step. It just boosts the next step. So this right here is what I start with, and it's just the dropper. So again, after my cleanse and toned face, I just go through and put just a little bit and just mix that in. Like I said, it just kind of will intensify the next step. You don't need a whole lot, and just let that kind of dry and set in before you put the next steps. And then I'll go in with the dark spot serum. I wasn't quite sure what would be considered a dark spot or a freckle with my face. So at first I was kind of just pinpointing little things. Then I thought it's a dark spot correcting glow serum. So I don't think it would hurt if I put it over pretty much my entire face either way. So basically I was just going through, putting a whole little glob and just kind of just mixing it in on my whole forehead, my cheeks, and the tip of my nose pretty much, because that's where I have either freckles or dark spots, one of the two. So I'm like, I'll just put you right there, not really on my chin or anything. So then I let that sit. While that is drying, I go in with the eye cream, and I absolutely am loving this eye cream. Not only is it the cutest packaging, but I am really liking it. And I'm not sure if it's just me, like me and my eye illusion, but like, for example, it kind of looks like I have like, you know, some bags going on. I am extremely tired, but with this being kind of like a greenish color, to me, it kind of looks like it kind of blends in and makes me look a lot more refreshed. So I'm like, kudos to you. Go for it. So I just take a little bit like that, and I kind of just smear it out a little bit just to kind of help. I go in on the top of my eye as well, and then I'll go in with this little guy, and oh, it just feels so much better because it's just nice and cool, and just kind of just smush that in basically. I'll just smush it in.
And then, like I said, the other serum is drying. Now I have my eye cream. And then basically at this point, I'll like go in the other room, do a few things, because I always have something I can do. And just kind of let that sit, get nice and dry before I come in with the other serum. And then again, once that's all nice and dry, I'll go in with this serum, and I'm absolutely loving it. This makes my face feel so moisturized, even the next day. Sometimes, like if I'm just trying to do something really quick and I don't have time to sit here and do all of this, maybe a few days out of the month, I'll just throw this on only, just over my whole entire face, and go to bed, and my face still feels super moisturized the next day. So I really do enjoy this serum. That's why it's in my top 5 out of the entire calendar. And I love this brand in general. So I just go ahead and take some, mix it up, and this I'm going to pretty much put everywhere but my eye area. I'm going to avoid because that other eye cream is on there and I don't need anything else. This one I'll go down through my neck and my forehead, again my nose. Once that is all done, I go in with this. This is like my little bonus number 6 item. I'll go in with this to make my lips nice and moisturized. Before bed, I like to put something on my lips anyways. So I'll throw that on. So again, that's my little number 6 bonus. It's always here with this routine. And then my hand cream. I'm very hard on my hands. We have animals, gardening, all kinds of stuff. So my hands get dried very easily. So I love a good hand cream. And this is nice and thick. It feels really good. So I'll rub it on my hands, down my arms and my elbows. And I just love it. It has a nice slight scent to it. So that is definitely my top 5 if you want to add my little 6 as my bonus. And that is the exact steps and how I use it. I love the entire calendar, but those are my top 5.2, whatever you want to call it, products that I'm absolutely loving and enjoying. And there you have it. That will complete my nightly routine.
All right, you guys. So that is exactly the quick and easy steps that I use to use all 5 of these products every single night. Again, I feel that it is just definitely like making my skin feel so super moisturized and just nice and refreshed and rejuvenated the next morning. And I absolutely love that. So that is the 5 top products from this year's advent calendar. If you guys received the advent calendar, what were your top 5 products from it? Let me know. I would love to know what you thought about the products and what your top 5 would be. So that is everything that I have for this particular video. Comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of Stylevana? What do you think of the products? What do you think of my top 5 and how I use them? Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.